Dear Doctor, my name is SUBASHINI SANDARAN. I will begin the presentation with the introduction. The overview of the project. Industrial engineering plays a crucial role in making industrial more efficient. For Muslihuddin and Autogate Sendirian Berhad, the company faced problems when planning Autogate installation. This having an effective plan to essential the manage time, resources and make customer happy. Autogate installations frequently experience delay going beyond the expected completion time. This delay caused disruption in project schedules and even increased the expenses due to overtime and redoing work and leave customer dissatisfied. So the current methods used for planning and scheduling this installation are not working well. They lead to inefficiency in managing the task effectively. Next, we can see the objective of the project. First, to evaluate the existing Autogate installation scheduling methods and identify the area of inefficient or constraint impacting the installation timeline. Second, to suggest and implement strategic gears towards improving the efficiency of Autogate installation scheduling, thereby to enhance the customer satisfaction and optimizing resources utilization. And the last objective is to appraise the effectiveness of the complement scheduling enhancement by measuring alterations in installation timeline, resource allocations and overall process effectiveness. Next, we can see the scope of the project. The first one is to examine the current procedure involved in Autogate installation, encompassing scheduling protocols, resource allocation and logistically complexities. The next one, assessing the repercussions of inefficient scheduling on the overall timeline of installations, customer contentments and resources management. And the last scope of the project, it's to investigating the potential enhancement or interventions in scheduling methodologies or technologies to streamline or optimize the Autogate installations process. Next, we can see literature review of the project. Here we have 4 parts, which is analysis, argument, interpretation and also innovation. First, the analysis. Prior studies identify key challenges like poor coordination, resources allocation issue affecting the Autogate installations, mainly highlighting the necessity of effective planning and coordination. Next is argument. Proposed solution involved advanced scheduling techniques like optimizations algorithm, simulations model or technological tools, the real-time monitoring systems to enhance coordinations among stakeholders. The third one is interpretations, which is evaluation of scheduling enhancement using metric like project completions, time and customer satisfaction, underscores the importance of continuous monitoring for ongoing improvements. And the last not least, the innovation, emphasize on embracing innovation such as AI-driven scheduling algorithm and integrated systems, which also further enhance the efficiency in Autogate installations and even signifying a path towards continuous improvement. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
In this slide, I'm going to present the methodology. So, the method that will be implemented is scheduling. Scheduling is the final phase of planning prior to manufacturing activities. It is intended to reduce production time and cost by directing a production facility. So there are several benefits in scheduling, which are fewer process changes, less effort involved in scheduling, lower inventory levels, more production efficiency, and precise measurement of man or equipment hour utilization. And then there are steps taken for scheduling. First, we have to collect all the Autogate's installation data, including the sequence, completion time, mix span, and tardiness. And then after we collect all that thing, the pre-installation inspection process will be begin. And then we have to construct simple sequencing rules, which is FCFS, first come first serve, EDD, earliest due date, and SPT, shortest processing time. And then we have to calculate the average completion time and average tardiness and determine the number of jobs tardy and maximum tardiness.
Here, this is data of processing installation Autogate, which is we have 6 tasks, and we also get the timing process and due date data from the company. Based on our methodology, we construct use for first come first serve, earliest due dates, and short processing time. So here that our result that we get from the data. Here is our summary that we can see there's 3 comparison rules that we have calculate, which is EDD and SPT is the same result, so that the company can use EDD as SPT rules they want to use effectiveness time. Thank you from me.
Greetings and a very good day. I'm Vanessa Jimmy, matrix number CD20073, and I'll be presenting the discussion and suggestion for improvement part. Scheduling the sequence of job for an Autogate installation involves planning and organizing tasks systematically to ensure a smooth, efficient installation process. Here is a detailed discussion for the sequence job process. First, begin with initial assessment of the installation site. Evaluate the gate location, terrain, existing structure, and electrical infrastructure. Plan the installation process based on the site assessment. Consider factors like gate size, automation system requirement, and any additional feature requested by the customer. Procurement and preparation. Procure all necessary material, component, and required equipment for all the installations, such as the gate structure, automation system, wiring, sensor, and control panel. Organize and prepare the tool needed for the installation process, ensuring everything is ready and available to avoid delays. For sequence of installation tasks, it includes site preparation, foundation and pillar installation, electrical wiring, gate structure installation, automation system setup, testing and calibration, and final inspection and customer orientation. For quality control and documentation, implement quality control measure at each stage of the installation process to maintain ambitious standard. Document the installation process, including diagram, system configuration, and maintenance guideline for future reference and customer support. Post-installation service offers support such as maintenance service, troubleshooting assistance, and warranty information to ensure customer certification and system longevity. By following all well-structured sequence of job and incorporating improvement based on experience, Autogate installation can be executed effectively while meeting customer expectation and industry standard. Suggestion for improvement: efficient resource allocation. Allocate the right resource, including skill, labor, equipment, and material to each phase of the installation process. Proper planning can prevent delays and improve overall efficiency. Realistic time estimates provide accurate time estimate for each installation phase. Factors like weather condition, unforeseen complication, or additional customer requests might affect the schedule. Allow buffer time for such situation. Communication and coordination. Ensure clear communication between the installation team, supplier, and the customer, so that everyone can keep informed about the schedule any changes or requirement to avoid misunderstanding. Quality control implements strictly quality control measure at each stage of the installation to ensure the final product meets safety standard and customer expectation. Documentation maintain documentation of the installation process, including diagrams, manuals, and warranties for future reference and customer support. Each installation may have unique challenge, so adaptability and problem-solving skills are essential. Continuously seeking feedback and making improvement based on past experience will help refine the scheduling and installation process for future projects.
So in this part, I will explain about our conclusion. So we think that we successfully performed the sequence method in Muslihuddin Autogate Sandaran Berhad company. So the sequence rule that we choose is first come first serve, earliest due date, and shortest processing time. So in the analysis, we provide the average completion time, average tardiness, number of job study, and maximum tardiness for each rule. So we find out that both EDD and SPT rule outperform the FCFS rule in terms of average completion time and tardiness. However, all these three rules have the similar challenges, with 4 jobs being tardy and a maximum tardiness of 114 minutes. So in the end, we have suggested an improvement in terms of efficient resource allocation, realistic time estimation, quality control, documentation, and post-installation.